Everyone, how many meters can Neo 2's Wi-Fi transmission actually fly this time?
The previous generation Neo lost connection at about 50 meters, but this time the Neo 2 is marked at 500 meters, a full 10 times the distance. I feel this needs verification. So today we are going to test it. I found an open area and we will fly it to see how far it can actually go. We removed the image transmission module, leaving only the standalone unit. The phone used is a Redmi K80 Supreme Edition, a budget phone, not particularly high-end. Okay, now let's record a continuous shot.
Takeoff. Navigation point has been updated. Please pay attention to the navigation position.
It is already refreshed the navigation point.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
No, it has reached 750 meters. A bit exaggerated, this image transmission. Okay, there is starting to lag a little. Let's see if it can break the 1 kilometer limit. It's already 1 kilometer. Okay. The Wi-Fi transmission has become very weak now, fortunately. Still flying, still flying. At this point, you can see the transmission is noticeably lagging. 1,200 meters. 1,300 meters, still 2 signals. 1,300 meters, still 2 signals. 1,400 meters. Let's make it return. Not flying anymore. It should be able to fly further, but we've decided not to fly anymore here. Oh, it's almost at the limit. Almost there. 1,400 meters.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Return.
It can still return. I flew this with the protective case on. If I take the case off, the battery life should be a bit longer.
The method it uses is not like the L3S's LiDAR detection method. It still uses a method of first ascending and then descending vertically. It might follow a trajectory landing when using a remote control, but with Wi-Fi transmission, it's currently not possible.
1,400 meters really, I feel it could still fly another 100 or 200 meters, but for safety considerations I won't test further here. Last night I happened to be doing a test and at night it flew for 700 seconds. I thought that was its limit, but today it doubled that. Compared to the previous generation's Wi-Fi transmission, there's a significant improvement. Like with the Neo I used before, it would lose transmission after flying just about 100 meters behind me. But this time, how should I say, 1,400 seconds, I don't know what new technology was used, could it be a new antenna? Or hey, what is it? It's already amazing, isn't it? 1,400 meters. In this case, I really feel there's no need to buy that transmission module. Of course, if you're in the city or using it for aerial photography, I suspect you might still want to get a remote control. But if you're just playing around daily, I feel like the phone's Wi-Fi image transmission is completely sufficient, and this time it includes gesture control and some other features, making the Neo 2nd generation a complete replacement for the Neo 1st generation, which was entirely an experimental product. Okay, that's it. I will also release a detailed review later. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will test them one by one later. See you next time.